Have you ever wondered how fresh, juicy strawberries from the garden can be turned into the sweet jam we often see on the table? This process is not just simple cooking, it's an exciting transformation where each step preserves the natural flavor of the strawberries. In today's video, join YCfee as we walk through each stage of this process. From selecting and harvesting ripe strawberries to processing them into the final product, delicious jars of strawberry jam. This is the story of a blend between nature and technique, creating a treat that everyone loves. Checking the ripeness of strawberries. Before the fresh and delicious strawberries are harvested, ensuring they have reached the perfect level of ripeness is a crucial step in the processing. To create high-quality strawberry jam, we must carefully evaluate key factors such as color, size, sweetness, and the softness of the strawberries. The color of the strawberries is the first sign indicating ripeness. Strawberries with a bright and uniform red color are usually ripe and ready for harvest. The size of the strawberries is also important. They must meet the standards to ensure each berry has a consistent flavor and is suitable for processing. The natural sweetness of the strawberries is thoroughly checked to ensure that the final jam has a rich and appealing taste. Finally, the softness of the strawberries helps determine their maturity and optimal ripeness, avoiding berries that are too hard or too soft. Today, modern technology has introduced advanced solutions to make the ripeness checking process quicker and more accurate than ever. Optical sensors and modern measuring devices help analyze the color, size, and firmness of the strawberries in a detailed and efficient manner. Automated systems also measure the sweetness of the strawberries, helping to select the berries that meet the highest standards. Thanks to this technology, farmers not only improve the efficiency of the inspection process, but also ensure the consistent quality of the jam, offering consumers the most delicious and perfect jars of strawberry jam. Strawberry harvesting process using modern technology. Looking back at the past, strawberry harvesting was once associated with the image of diligent, dedicated farmers meticulously picking each berry by hand. This task not only required significant time and effort, but also demanded great skill and patience. Each hand-picked strawberry had to be carefully selected to ensure quality, making the harvesting process both costly and labor-intensive. Today, traditional methods have been replaced by advanced technological solutions, bringing about superior efficiency and reducing the labor burden. Modern automated strawberry harvesters can now handle hundreds, even thousands of strawberries in a short period, something that previously required meticulous attention and enormous effort from farmers. These modern harvesters are equipped with sensor technology and automated control systems, allowing for precise identification and picking of strawberries down to the smallest detail. Sensor technology helps detect strawberries that have reached optimal ripeness, while the automated control system ensures that the harvesting process is consistent and efficient. Thanks to these advancements, strawberry harvesting is not only faster, but also minimizes damage and waste. The combination of technological efficiency and product quality represents a significant leap forward in agriculture and enhances the value of strawberries, opening up new opportunities for both producers and consumers. Strawberry pre-processing. When strawberries are harvested and brought to the factory's processing area, the pre-processing step plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality and safety of the final product. This process is not merely about cleaning and preparing the strawberries for the next steps. It is a key factor in maintaining the highest standards for the strawberries. First, the strawberries are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, impurities, and any traces of chemicals from the cultivation process. This not only helps the strawberries appear fresh, but also serves as an important step in preventing bacterial contamination. Strawberries, with their soft and delicate texture, can easily become a breeding ground for bacteria if not properly cleaned. After washing, the strawberries are transferred to the jam processing section. Once prepared, the strawberries are placed in a pot along with sugar and lemon juice. The cooking process begins by heating this mixture, and you will see the strawberries gradually break down, blending perfectly with the sugar and lemon juice. The mixture begins to thicken, and the bright color of the strawberries combined with the jam's smooth texture creates a delicious and appealing treat. To ensure the jam meets the standard, checking the sweetness and texture is an essential step. A perfect batch of jam will have a smooth texture and a sweet flavor, neither too runny nor too thick. Finally, the strawberry jam is poured into clean, dry glass jars. The jar sealing process not only reflects the care and attention to detail in preserving, but also provides detailed instructions on how to store the jam to keep it for a long time. Properly sealing the jars ensures that the strawberry jam not only retains its delicious flavor, but can also be enjoyed for an extended period. The jars are carefully packed, helping to preserve the jam in ideal conditions, maintaining its freshness and distinctive aroma. After packaging, the strawberry jam is transported to stores, supermarkets, and online retail points. The transportation process is carried out with attention to temperature and storage conditions to prevent product spoilage during transit. Stores and supermarkets receive the strawberry jam and display it on shelves, ready to meet consumer demand. Strawberry jam can be enjoyed in many ways, from being eaten directly as a delicious snack to being used as an ingredient in desserts and pastries. You can spread strawberry jam on bread, mix it into yogurt, or use it as a filling for various cakes. The benefits of using strawberry jam lie not only in its delightful taste, but also in the convenience and the ability to enjoy the fresh strawberry flavor even after the strawberry season has passed. With each jar of strawberry jam, you not only receive a high-quality product, but also a part of the meticulous care and attention from production to when it reaches you. This is the result of a perfect combination of advanced technology and tradition, offering you a wonderful and captivating tasting experience. So, we've explored the entire process of making strawberry jam, from harvesting fresh strawberries, careful pre-processing, to the jam cooking and product packaging stages. We hope you've become excited about this process and appreciate the care and attention required to create a perfect strawberry jam product. We encourage you to try making strawberry jam at home to experience the fun and excitement of preparing this treat. Don't forget to share your results in the comments section. We'd love to hear about the unique versions of strawberry jam you create. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more interesting content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.